Hello friends, welcome to my channel Golden Blush. We have a lot of beauty tips, fashion, makeup and hairstyle related lot of exciting videos for you guys. So please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and press that bell icon for more notifications. So let's get started. We see a lot of different hairstyles around us and we often get confused that which one I should have. When we go to salon, we either tell them to make it little bit shorter or to make it very short. So today we are going to learn about what is the best hairstyle for your face shape. So today's video is for both men and women. So please stay tuned and watch the whole video to learn about what is the best hairstyle for you. If you missed my last video where we discussed about the face shape, then I will link that in the description box below. Please do not forget to visit that first to identify your face shape, so it will be easier for you to pick your hairstyle. So before we learn which hairstyles will suit you best, we have to learn few terms which are used in the hairstyling. So let's get to the first one. So the first one are bangs. These are strands of locks of hair that fall over the forehead to cover it. It can also be called as a fringe in a lot of different countries. It can range to various lengths like above the eyebrows, on the eyes or below the eyes. The next hairstyle is a pixie hairstyle. It's a short hairstyle generally short on the back and sides of the head and slightly longer on the top with very short bangs. The next hairstyle is very simple. It's called taper. It's a very simple hairstyle. As you can see, the important feature is to make it look tapered at certain areas like the side of the forehead, near your sideburns like near your ears and on the back. Next hairstyle is fade. It's a short haircut also called as military haircut because it starts to fading from thicker hair to thinner hair, even close to your skin. The next hairstyle is quiff. It's a British term for the hairstyle, means prominent piece of hair is brushed up and back from the forehead. The next hairstyle is bob. It is short medium length haircut. It's typically straight around the head at about jaw level, often with fringe bangs at the front. Next hairstyle is pompadour. In this, hair is combed into a high mound in the front and short hair on the back and sides. So large volume of hair in the front that gradually recedes towards the back of the head. So pompadour and quiff are very similar. But in pompadour, we take hair off, up and away from the face, as you can see on the right side, and are usually glossier, precise and are very short on the sides and the back. The first shape is round face. Round faces are about equal in length and width and the jawline offers no sharp corners or defining edges. So the best hairstyles are clean shaven head, crew cut with fade. You can also go for undercut, side part to give that angular feature, fox hawk to give the height, pompadour. You can also go for man bun. So let's discuss some do's and don'ts for the round face shape. So do's are you should aim for height and volume, tight back and sides. You should opt for hard texture cuts. You should not do is adding length to the back and sides, flatten the top or softening features over the forehead with front fringes. So for the girls with a round face, we want to hide those circular face to make it look longer, so we will go for long straight hair, also a long fringe falling on your cheeks, and if you're going for the ponytail, long wavy ponytail will suit you. The next shape is oval face shape. The defining feature of an oval face shape is the absence of sharp angles or corners near the forehead, cheeks, and chin. Because of their symmetry and balance, most hairstyles look great on oval face, like clean shaven head, crew cut with fade, buzz cut, side part, fox hawk, pompadour, undercut, comb over, Caesar hairstyle, swept back. Let's discuss some do's and don'ts for the oval face. You should wear hair off forehead to create volume and angles on the top. You should avoid any forward fringes. Because of that, your face will look more rounder, and we definitely do not want that. Being a well-proportionate structure, an oval face has the rare privilege to be free in experimenting a variety of styles. A classic short back and side with little length on the top is a foolproof solution. In girls, oval face shape is considered as the perfect face shape. So you can go for medium length hair or light waves or a bob. The next face shape is diamond face shape. It has strong wide cheekbones and a defined angular chin, so we want to soften the top portion of that. So we can go for clean shaven head, Caesar hairstyle, crew cut with fade, side part, comb over, pompadour, fringe, man bun, and swept back. Some do's and don'ts with diamond face shape. If you decide to go for a good hairstyle, then go more for plenty of volume in your hair. You should soften the angularity of features, and you should also go for Caesar cuts. You should avoid any aggressive cuts that further sharpen your features, and also any short sides. In girls also, we have to remember that we want to soften that the top angle, so we can go for medium length with side parting, a thick fringe with waves, and you can also go for pixie style. The next face shape is a heart shape. So in a heart shape, you will have that angular chin and a heart like your hairline on your forehead. If you have a heart shape and you're a man, you are blessed. You can go with any kind of a hairstyle. You can even go clean shaven head, buzz cut, side part, comb over, fox hawk, fringes, pompadour, and even a man bun. So let's discuss some do's and don'ts for the heart shape. If you do not want to shave your hair completely or go for a buzz cut, then you should increase the length on the top, which falls naturally with gravity, and you should let your hair grow out on the back and sides. You should avoid any shaved sides and aggressive fades, and adding too much of height without filling the sides is not recommended. So for girls with heart shape, remember we have to hide those wide cheekbones, so we can go for medium length curls, we can go for a side ponytail, and also medium length flow. The next face shape is a square face. Means the length and the width measurements are similar. The only difference is the angle of the jaw is sharper. Like oval faces, square have the luxury of being able to enjoy most of the styles. Like you can go for a clean shaven head, Caesar hairstyle, undercut and crew cut with fade, side part, comb over, pompadour, fringe, man bun, swept back, buzz cut. Oh my god, you have so many options, even a fox hawk. discuss few do's and don'ts for the square face shape. You should go for tight back and sides, fades or undercuts. Any length on the top is definitely advisable. Layering to accent the features, and you should avoid any precision defined hairlines, more like square cuts or something like that. And also if your hair is receding. So for girls with square face shape, remember we have to hide those sharp jaw lines to make or to give that symmetry to your face. So you can go for multiple layers, you can go for long curls and even a short sideways fringe. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and you know now which hairstyles you can go for. Please give us a thumbs up if you really like our video. It takes a lot of time, effort and hard work to put everything together and present it to you. Keep loving us, stay positive, love you all, and I see you next time.